As you may have already known, I'm a very poor man, and I got all these vegetables for free. Please take those little hats off from the peppers. Please make a little hole in each pepper so they don't burst when I fry them in the pan with some oil. Wash those tomatoes. This I don't even have to mention. By the way, these tomatoes are extremely tasty. Her friend farmers are asking her the farming recipes for these tomatoes. Chop, chop. Chop, chop. Good. Kabocha squashes are extremely hard, so be careful when you chop them. Cutting an eggplant right after cutting a kabocha squash makes me feel like I've just purchased a new knife. Grill those vegetables well. You want some burnt flavor. Happy, happy cooking. Part 2. Happy, happy cooking. Honest Japanese cooking is a happy cooking. It already looks tasty, but to make it tastier, I'll cool it down in this marinade. Happiness is found when you are thankful. When you complain, happiness goes away. Happy cooking doesn't like to complain, even though I did a poor job peeling. Tastiness is also happiness. Healthiness is also happiness. Don't work hard to make good ramen. Don't work hard to make good ramen.